Welcome to the channel. Are you ready to elevate your travel experience? Picture this: effortless glide through crowded airports with a luggage set that not only screams durability, but also oozes style. Intrigued? Let's dive into the Amazon Basics 3-piece set hard-side spinner luggage set to unlock the world of modern travel convenience. Crafted with the savvy traveler in mind, the Amazon Basics 3-piece set hard-side spinner luggage is your ultimate travel companion. Designed for the modern jet-setter seeking durability and convenience, this set ensures your belongings reach their destination safe and secure. Featuring a robust hard-side construction, your items are cocooned in maximum protection, ready for any adventure that lies ahead. Navigating through bustling streets and busy terminals couldn't be easier, thanks to the spinner wheels that effortlessly glide in any direction, making your travel seamless and stress-free. The telescoping handle is like your personal butler, adjusting to your desired height for comfortable handling, while the side-mounted TSA lock adds an extra layer of security, ensuring peace of mind throughout your journey. Inside, the luggage surprises you with fully lined main compartments and organizational pockets, designed to keep your items neatly arranged and easily accessible. And here's the kicker: the expandable design offers additional packing capacity, ideal for those spontaneous souvenir purchases or extra gear on your return journey. Not your ordinary luggage set, the Amazon Basics Spinner Luggage Set boasts a sleek and stylish design sure to turn heads wherever your travels take you. Elevate your travel gear game and embark on your next adventure with confidence and flair using this exceptional set. Practicality meets user-friendliness effortlessly in this luggage set. Experience travel like never before with the Amazon Basics 3-piece set, tailored to meet your daily travel needs, from quick business trips to leisurely getaways. There you have it, the Amazon Basics 3-piece set hard-side spinner luggage set, your gateway